So I don't know about you, but during the quarantine shutdown, we've been finding some more time and more ways that we can interact as a family, even if we have to make our kitchen table into a ping pong table. But about class this week, we're going to be talking this week about a couple different topics. So the first part of the class is going to be focused about research gaps, finding that gap in the research, the problem that needs to be addressed, transferring that into research questions. And your assignment at the end of this week will be to have 5 research questions, different varieties. It could be different types of methods even, but on the same topic that you've identified. So 5 different questions that you could ask about your topic. This will be familiar to those who've taken my literature review class, but I'm going to talk about the moves in an introduction to a research paper and how to write an introduction to a research paper. We're going to read from Swales and Feek, which you didn't get to read in the literature review class, but they explain the different moves that an author makes in their introduction. You can almost physically see the writer moving in the introduction, where they start down one part of the conversation and then switch it and start talking about something else. You know, they talk about the need and then fill it with their solution to that need. And we're going to talk about that and show you how to find those in other papers as well as write them in your own. Last thing we'll talk about this week is about positivism, as we'll move into talking about the paradigms of research inquiry. And positivism will be our first one that we'll talk about this week. So see you online.